Hi, everyone. Today's upgrade is an older card. This is the contents of the packaging of this product. This is the disassembly tool. Everyone according to the needs to prepare. First, we remove the gear panel and unplug the two plugs below. Next, we loosen the two screws that hold the cigarette lighter panel in place. We took out the cigarette lighter box inside and removed the two screws under the box. Now we take out the cigarette lighter panel and unplug everything underneath. Loosen the two screws holding the storage box in place. Then remove the storage box. Okay, now we pry open the air outlet panel of the original car and loosen the three screws that hold the original car screen. Remove the original screen and unplug all the back. Now we install these three small plastic fittings. Connect the blue power card to the original car plug. Then attach the Quad G antenna to the back of the new product. Connect GPS antenna. Connect the RCA cable. Connect the CAM cable. Connect the USB cable. Okay, now we connect the air conditioner plug of the original car to the back of the new product. Now connect the serial plug on the power cord to the back of the new product. We put the storage box back together and secure it. Now install the new product and fix it. Reinstall the air outlet panel on the original car. Plug the cigarette lighter panel back in and install the panel. Okay, secure this panel. Finally, we will reinsert the plug under the position panel and install the panel. This is what it looks like when installed. Now we need to debug the air conditioning protocol. Go to the factory settings, find the campus settings, select the protocol brand, select the corresponding model year. Note, the first setup requires a connection to a network hotspot. Let's do it, and we can see that it works, and it can be operated with buttons, and it can be operated on the screen. Support map navigation. You can also download other map apps. Local or online video and music can be played. Supports radio playback. You can set the timbre of the sound according to your preference. You can also search for information in the car. Support Bluetooth phone. Support CarPlay, where you can use the voice assistant, can make calls, listen to music, map navigation, or use other mobile apps. Homepage real-time speed display. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.